Welcome back to our channel. Take a look at these videos.
Messi.
Please, you might have seen those viral and trending videos of Ronaldo and Messi popping up everywhere on Instagram, right? Well, let me tell you about one account, Messi and Football, that went absolutely wild, over more than 9 locked followers in just 41 posts. And they didn't stop there. They're also posting these videos on their YouTube channel in Football, where the views are skyrocketing too. Imagine pulling in 98 million views on one video, 67 million on another, and even hitting a jaw-dropping 103 million on a single post. Insane. Right now, the best part is there are no competition in this niche, hence this is the perfect time for you to jump in. I'll show you exactly how you can create these eye-catching videos using free AI tools, add the right sound effects, and make your content stand out. So grab yourself a refreshing glass of lemon juice and watch this video till the end. There are 5 steps to creating this type of video. Step 1, finding ideas for the fake scenario. Step 2, generating image prompts. Step 3, generating images. Step 4, animating the images. Step 5, editing. Alright, so first of all, we need to come up with video ideas. That means creating a funny fake scenario involving Ronaldo and Messi that's both engaging and humorous. If you have a good sense of humor and some ideas in mind, you can create one yourself. Otherwise, you can get help from ChatGPT. Start by going to this page and downloading 2 or 3 videos. Then open ChatGPT and upload the videos you downloaded from Instagram. Ask ChatGPT, I want to create videos like this. Could you please provide some fake scenarios featuring Ronaldo and Messi, similar to the ones in the videos? And there we go. ChatGPT provides some ideas. You can either pick one of these suggestions or add your own twist to them. For this example, I'll choose one of the ideas provided by ChatGPT. Let's go with 5th one, and there we go. ChatGPT provides a complete scenario with dialogues, but we don't need any dialogues in our script since we're creating the video using AI-generated images and videos. So I'll ask ChatGPT, I want to create a scenario without dialogue, as I'll be making the video with AI-generated visuals only. Perfect. Now, ChatGPT gives us just the scene description, so our first step, generating the scenario idea, is complete. All right, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generating image prompts. Go back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Do not worry, all the prompts which are used in this video, you can find them in the description, and create a prompt for each scene to generate the images. Make sure to include the following details in each prompt. Style should be hyper-realistic. Ronaldo and Messi should be wearing their team football jerseys, and the scene should capture fine details. And there it is, ChatGPT provides image prompts for each scene. If you want to generate additional images, you can ask ChatGPT to provide 2 prompts for each scene. This way, you can generate unlimited prompts with ChatGPT, but as I always say, don't rely solely on AI. Add your own creativity to make the video truly unique and engaging before moving ahead. Just hit that subscribe button and like the video, because we are only the one who uploads videos on trendy topics. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 3, generating images. To create the images, you'll need to choose a tool that can generate realistic images of any character. Now I'll show you an amazing tool that not only creates stunning images, but also does it for free. Open your browser and search for the Glyph app. Open the link and sign in with your email. With this tool, you can create up to 20 images per day, which is more than enough for one video daily once you sign in. Click on Build, then select the plus icon and choose image generation from the available options. Now you'll need to pick an image generation model. I'll go with Flux Pro, then choose the 916 ratio, paste the prompt, and hit run within a few seconds. Your image will be ready. Download the image and generate the next one. Continue this process until you've created all the images needed with that step 3 is complete. Now let's move on to the next step, step 4. Animate the video. Alright everyone, once your images are ready, it's time to convert them into a video. If you're serious about this niche, I suggest investing in the paid version of an image to video generator tool that delivers the best results. This will streamline your workflow, save time, and help you create high quality content before, now I'll animate my images using Kyber AI after signing. Into this tool, you'll receive 200 free tokens to use now. Click on the plus icon and select the video generator tool. You can choose from options like Runway ML Luma, AI Kling AI, or Minimax. Each tool uses credits differently, so keep that in mind. For now, I'll go with Minimax. Let's upload the image and add the same prompt we used in image generation. And there we have it. Our video's ready. Let's download this. Haha, it's quite funny, but our job is to entertain, so I think it's perfect for our video. Now animate all the images using the prompts provided by ChatGPT and download them to your computer. Let's move to the final step. Step 5, editing. Open CapCut and import all the videos. After that, drag each video into the timeline in the correct sequence. Here's a tip to make your video more engaging and realistic. Add some funny dialogue lines for Ronaldo or Messi. If you're unsure what to add, you can get ideas from ChatGPT next. Go to a tool called F-Share here. You can generate voiceovers in Ronaldo's and Messi's voices to add an extra layer of fun to your video. For example, I'll use this line for Ronaldo. Now let's generate it. Watch out, Messi, this fade done just for scoring goals perfect. Right in the same way, you can generate audio in Messi's voice. Create dialogues that suit your video scenes to make it more engaging. Next, head to Pixabay and download sound effects that fit your video. For example, I'll download a crowd cheering sound to add excitement. Additionally, I'll include some commentary lines since it's a dance battle between Messi and Ronaldo. This step is optional, so feel free to go with what suits your video topic best. Now import all these elements into the timeline, add the sounds and dialogues at the appropriate moments where they enhance the video. You can also include background music if you'd like, and that's it. Our video is ready. This is how you can create viral Messi and Ronaldo videos that have the potential to earn millions of views on any platform. Now, let's take a look at our finished video.
Legends, not on the field, but on the dance floor. Tonight, it's Ronaldo versus Messi in an epic showdown of dance moves. First, let's welcome Ronaldo.
Watch out, Messi. These feet aren't just for scoring goals.
Ronaldo's got power while I got face, and a few secret moves up my sleeve.
Ronaldo's got the power moves, but Messi's footwork, it's like watching poetry in motion.
This is tough. Ronaldo's energy, Messi's finesse. How do we choose?
Okay, let's be real. They're both incredible. But can we declare a tie and just say we're all winners here? I say we make them teach us those moves as a tiebreaker. We need a judge dance-off.
We both won, Messi. I'm proud of you.
So subscribe our channel, Digital AI Dollars, and like the video if you want to be independent. So click here and start your business in 2025 without any investment and want to know how to generate unlimited images with AI for free. So click here. I will see you there. Bye-bye.